Hey guys, Sandy here, and today I want to share with you my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit. Now, since we are on lockdown, I could not get out to Tuesday morning and purchase some things, so I went a little ridiculous in my room. I decided to start out with some Echo Park paper, and that is because I did get the warehouse box, so I wanted to use some of my Echo Park stash up. So I started with this. Just Be You with the cactus on it, and then I pulled in another Just Be You with the arrows. I flipped through my stash even further and found some This and That. I also grabbed this floral from This and That. Now obviously I'm not going to be putting this floral with these cactus, but the cactus will go with the yellow, the floral will go with the yellow. Like, I have options here. I pulled the brown grid paper from This and That. From For the Record, I have this blue and cream paper. I also have this ticket paper from Beautiful Life, and on the other side is this doily, so I think I could probably use both of them. Most of these sheets I could probably use both of them. This is from For the Record, and it is this beautiful green pattern. I also pulled out Our Family Home Sweet Home from Cartabella. It's got these big old butterflies on the back, so you know that is not happening. Then I pulled in From the Great Outdoors from Cartabella. Now this has border strips on it, but obviously the fish and this kind of stuff don't go a thing with anything else in this kit. But I really liked the florals here. And then my last sheet of paper is from Hello Again. I like these hearts, and I also really like this floral right here. So here are all the papers that I have decided to use. And then I get a little bit ridiculous, you guys, with the amount of stuff I pulled in. And that's okay. So we'll see how much killing actually happens in this kit, because there's a lot. So I pulled in the Beautiful Life sticker sheet because it had a lot of the colors. It had the wood grain. So I will put that there. I also pulled in these Love from Lizzie peel-offs. Now these are super awesome. They're just little thin, very thin strips. A lot of card makers use them, but I like using them in my scrapbook layouts. I pulled in a couple of alphabets. So I have this alphabet from Dear Lizzie. Kind of has like a sparkle to it. And then I pulled in a couple tile alphabets, a green, a wood grain, and this yellow. I also have one more alphabet. This wood grain with the glitter around it, and that's Marquee. I did pull in a stencil. This one is from Penny Black, and it is this beautiful floral stencil. Pulled in some labels. I just have some white labels, some khaki colored labels, some Webster's Pages labels, and then from Pretty Little Studio, I have these cut apart banners. I have a couple of enamel shapes. I have these More Than Words dots and hearts from Cocoa Vanilla, and I have these Creekside plus signs. I pulled in a couple of sequin mixes. This one is Minty Meadow. This is from Spiegel Mom's Scraps. And then I'm part of the Creative Cuts Club, so we get exclusive mini sequins with the kits. And this one, I'm not exactly sure what this one is called, but it has a lot of the greens and yellows in there, so I wanted to bring in that one. I also pulled in some of these mixed media flowers that I had from Hobby Lobby when I purchased them on clearance. Pulled in a couple of stickers from one of, oh, Creekside. Look, I even wrote it on the back. From One Canoe 2. And then I brought in some toner sheets from Decofoil and Brutus Monroe in the circles. It's on white paper and also on clear paper. And obviously I'll be using my mink foils for that. I just didn't pull out the foils. They're still put away. I pulled out a couple of thickers. One is Adventures, and this is from Chamel. I have very few left on those, so I'm really trying to get these used up. And then this is Refresh. It has the copper and the peachy color on it. I also brought in these cork stickers from Me Our Memory Keepers from Hello Darling. This is from 2014. I'm hoping to be able to get these bad boys used up as well. I pulled in some Jen Hadfield homemade washi tapes. These are the coppery, they look a little coppery to me. So I figured this would be perfect to add in there. I also have these One Canoe 2 stickers. I'm not sure which collection they are from, but those will work. And then also this One Canoe 2 ephemera pack. I got this in my Love from Lizzie card kit, so I'm not exactly sure which collection this is from. And I usually don't pull in my mixed media and stuff like that. Oh, I forgot some stuff. Washi tapes. So I have this khaki colored washi tape with some white words, this pink floral washi tape, this copper washi, also this kind of like, it's like a light copper chevron. It's almost like a translucent. And then I had this little dude hanging around, which is one of those poofy things that I just tear apart and use them as trims. But like I was saying, I don't usually bring in my mixed media in my kit because I have mixed media all throughout. But there are two inks that I really wanted to use with this, so I did pull out my ink. I have Catherine Pooler inks in Hot Tub and in Tiara. And Hot Tub is from the Spa collection. Tiara is from the Party collection. So that right here is my kit, and it is a large kit. So I need to get to scrapbooking, and go ahead, subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see what I do with this kit this month and plenty of other videos. I have been posting at least one video every single day since February 1st, and I'm just going to go at that and see how long I can keep that up. I'm having a great time doing it. I hope you're having a great time watching. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, like I said, ring the bell so you can get notifications, and I will see you guys again really soon for another video.